All welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we will start new session, and from today onward, this session we will learn about Docker Swarm. Okay. So firstly, we will understand why we need to Docker Swarm. Okay. So firstly, we understand what is the problem we are facing while using the container. Then we discuss about the Docker Swarm, how to Docker Swarm will overcome all these problems which we facing while using the container. Okay. So first problem is how to scale up and scale down the container. So means that if you want to automate the number of container scale up or scale down as per the load, so here Docker Swarm will help us. Okay. Second problem is how to manage container or recreate if they fail or create. Okay. So this is the second statement where Docker Swarm will help us. Okay. Now discuss with the third problem statement. So how to upgrade the service with the zero downtime. This is the third problem statement we are facing. So also Docker Swarm will help on the same problem. So if you are executing a service in a container and this container are running inside the production environment, so you want to upgrade your container without any downtime, so here Docker Swarm comes in the picture and help out to without downtime, we can update the that software version which is running inside the container. The fourth problem statement is how to manage container or VM machine or node. Container on machine or node. So we will discuss this problem and we will discuss how Docker Swarm will overcome all these problems. So let's discuss what is a Docker Swarm. The Docker Swarm is a clustering and scheduling tool for Docker container or in EG language Docker. ठीक है? Docker Swarm is a Docker orchestration tool. We can say that Docker Swarm is a Docker orchestration tool. With the help of the Docker Swarm, we can schedule the task, we can schedule the service. Okay, we will discuss what is the task, what is the service in a video lecture. So Swarm is a Docker native support for the orchestration cluster. So there are lots of orchestration tool available in a market like Kubernetes, but Swarm is a native tool for the Docker. Okay, so native support means it is the not a third-party tool like Kubernetes to manage the orchestration. So when we talk about the orchestration, so what is the orchestration? Firstly, we discuss what is the orchestration. So orchestration define node and define service set how many nodes you want to run and where. So at the runtime, we can define number of node and the services are running on the particular nodes. Okay. After a high level, we can say Swarm take multiple Docker engines running on different hosts and let you use them together. Okay. So what is the structure of Docker Swarm? So Docker Swarm have two types of node. First, one is the master or you can say manager node, and other is the worker node. So every Docker Swarm start with the one manager or you can say master node designated as the leader. The master node also work as a worker node even. So what the basically means requirement of the master node. Master node will manage the all that worker node in a environment. Okay. Suppose if one worker node goes down, to how that running container in that node will shift it to the other node. That is a basically means a task of that uh, Docker master node. Okay. So Swarm is highly available thanks to its implementer of the Raft algorithm. So behalf of the Raft algorithm, it is a very highly available. Means one if the one node goes die, so that uh, that container which is running on that node will shift it on the other node. with the help of the raft algorithm. Okay, let's discuss about the raft algorithm. So the leader node is constantly checked with its fellow manager node and sync their state. So let's discuss how the raft algorithm will work. So suppose the Docker Swarm, suppose we have one master and lots of worker node. The master node checking the all the worker node with the followers node. If any case of master node goes down, okay, suppose our master node goes down and one of the worker node will take work as a master node, then what happened, one of the worker node will take place as a master node. Okay, so this is that raft algorithm. Okay, so let's discuss about the benefit about the Docker Swarm. Okay, first benefit is the task scheduling. So let's discuss how the Docker Swarm help on the task scheduling. Suppose we have n number of services, so we need to deploy our service as a stack in a swarm. So we need to create a stack or service in a swarm. Once the service are deployed, then it's job for manager to ensure that the development requirement you to set continue to met. Okay, it means if anyhow any container goes down, a new container will spin up. Okay, this is the first means benefit of the Docker Swarm task scheduling. Let's discuss about the second benefit, which is the load balancing. So suppose your service is running and inside the service, okay, you want to running 10 nginx container, suppose. Okay, inside the service you want to run 10 nginx service. In this 10 nginx container, one of the master and rest 9 are as a worker. Okay, so now it is the responsibility of the Docker Swarm to make the traffic on the all the node or container. So the load balancer is the another feature of the Docker Swarm. Okay, let's discuss third benefit, which is the rolling update. Suppose at the runtime we have 10 server for the single application, and somehow some bugs are found in the production environment, and we need to patch our production server for rectify that bugs. Okay, so so in this case, Docker Swarm will help us for patching the running container. Okay, in Docker Swarm you can define a same time two or more container goes down and two new containers spin up at the same time with the new patch release version. So what happened with the rest of that container? Patch container will move to new patch running container. Okay, and last one is the security. The last advantage is the security. So Docker Swarm provides us great security feature when a node want to join a Docker network, a Docker Swarm network. It is use a token. That token is encrypted. So it's very secure way once a node is joined the Docker Swarm network. So this is the benefit of the Docker Swarm. I hope you are on all understand. If you have any concern, please let me know in the chat or that comment section. Thank you for watching.